The local mall in town is over 30 years old, and come this time next year, there may be plans to make it feel newer. Channel 8 reporter Logan Wassel has the story.
Recently in Manhattan, the City Commission approved a sales tax increase for Town Center Mall, which may be receiving some updates in the distant future.
Shoppers pay about 1/2 cent more in sales tax. So the CID will bump the mall sales tax up to a little bit above that level.
CID, or Community Improvement District, allows the Manhattan community to give feedback on the mall and tell what they would like to see improved in it.
The Community Improvement District tool is just that. It helps us improve our facility for the benefit of the community.
And a lot of that Manhattan community is K-State students. Given the fact that students may not be here to benefit from these renovations, it is important to take into consideration what they think of this tax increase.
I think, it would benefit the community to have a nicer mall, a nicer place to go to shop and stuff like that. For like a college student that, I'm probably not going to be in Manhattan super long term. I won't necessarily reap the benefits of it, but also just since it's such a small change, it's not like I'm going to be like, oh, I'm not going to go to the mall because they have a tiny little increase in the sales tax.
Over here behind me is the Manhattan Town Center Mall. In April of 2019, it will receive a 7.5% sales tax increase, which is the same as spending an extra 75 cents for every $100 you spend.
And we are looking, at both short-term, what can we do to benefit areas of the mall that help improve the experience for customers right away, but we're looking at those long-term things as well.
Manhattan residents will likely not notice the sales tax increase, but will be contributing together to make Town Center Mall a more enjoyable place for everyone. In Manhattan, I'm Logan Wassel, Channel 8 News.